Okay, in this video, I'm teaching you how to tell time in Japanese. This is basically a tutorial review how to convert convert time in Japanese. So in Japanese, we have o'clock and minutes. Okay, in o'clock, if you put time on it and you put G in the number, meaning yun yung clock on. Okay? Like for example, in this chart, as you can see on your screen, like for example, 1. If you put, what is the Japanese 1? G. And then you put G, meaning it's o'clock. Okay, so 1 o'clock. Okay? Then we have Niji, Sanji, and we have some special numbers lang. Like for example, number 4. If it is number 4, instead of Yonji, it's Yoji. Okay? We have 5, which is Goji. 6 is Rokuji. 7, special ulit. Instead of Nanaji, we have Shichiji. Okay? So we have also Hachiji. Instead of Kyuji sa 9, kasi the Japanese for 9 is Q. We use Kuji. Okay? We have Juji, Juichiji, Juriji. And then if you want to ask the number, you can say Nanji desu ka. You put desu ka on the Nanji. Nanji desu ka or Nanji. Okay, you just put a question tone on your sentence. Nanji or nanji desu ka? Okay? Then, for the minutes, it's quite tricky. Okay? Kasi may mga special, medyo marami tayong special. The Japanese for this one is fun. Ito, yung number 2. Fun ang basa dyan. Fun, F. However, there are some special, like for example, 1, 3, 4, 6, and 8, and 10. Okay? So, yung mga sinabi ko, they are special. Like, for example, 1, eat food. 2, eto, regular to, need food. 3, sampun. 4, yompun. 5, special, gofun. No. This is the regular one, gofun. 6, special, ropun. 7, nanafun. 8, hapun, special. 9, kyufun. 10, special, jupun. Okay? So, susundin nyo lang po yung 1 to 10 na yan in translating it. Okay? And then we also have Gof, Jugofun. Okay? This is 15. And the 30, special po ito, instead of, you can say Sanjupun, but usually they say it Han. Okay? So, paano ba siya gawin? For example, 2:30. Okay? So, 2:30, what is the Japanese of 2? Ni. Then, sabi ko, o'clock. So, chi. Okay? The 2 o'clock is Niji. And then may 30 tayo. So, lalagay mo na Han. Niji. Okay? So, that is 2:30. Now, paano pag 5:45? Okay? So, what is the Japanese of 5? So, and then o'clock, we will put G. Goji. That's 5 o'clock. How about 45? Okay, so, kung mapapanood yung video ko how to translate numbers, so, translate muna natin yung 45. Okay, so ilang 10 ang meron sa 40? At ilan ang nadala? 5. So how would you translate this one? Translate na itong 4. Itong 4. So what is the Japanese for 4? Okay, yun. Then Japanese of 10. And Japanese of 5. Go. So hanapin yung go doon sa chart natin. So anong gamit dito? Fun. Okay, so lalagay nyo na. Fun. So, eto, dito yan. Okay? So the Japanese for 5:45 is Goji Yonju Kofu. Okay? So another example. Okay? So 3:50. Okay? So what is Japanese for 3 san? Then we will put 3G kasi o'clock. Nandito siya. Okay? And then 50. So let's translate this one from this pattern is I teach in my previous video. Okay? So panoorin mo muna yan. Okay? So ilang 10 ba ang meron sa 5? Ilang 10 ba ang meron sa 50? 5. So ganyan po ang gagawin natin. So translate the 5. Go. And then translate the 10. 2. Now, let's check the chart. Ito siya. So, Jupun. So, yung dulo niya, Jupun. Okay, so ganyan siya. So, So, titingnan nyo lang, kakabisaduhin nyo lang po yung chart na yun, na 1 to 10, kung sino yung Fun, pati may, yung single P, Fun. Okay? So, yan. Okay? So, that's how you translate a quick review or quick tutorial how to translate time. Okay? I forgot. Goseng and Gogo. Okay, pag Goseng, AM. Pag Gogo, PM. So, ilalagay na lang po yan sa harap ng, for example, this is AM. So, Goseng, Sanji po. Okay, paano pag PM? Lalagay nyo lang po sa Gogo, Goji, Jugoku. Okay, so that's how you translate time into Japanese. This is the quick review. This is very, very quick review lang. Okay, so I think that's it.